My name's Allen Couch. I'm a game warden in Haskell County. I've been in county here for about 15 years. I worked in the far southeast part of the state for about another 5. So I've been working for a total of almost 20 years now as a game warden. So Haskell County is a really smaller kind of county in the state. I usually describe it as it's small, but it's really diverse. I'd say we have a little bit of everything that the state has to offer, but not necessarily great anything. So we go from the far south end of the county where it's pine forest and pine plantations and kind of mountainous type kind of area to the middle part of the county where a lot of native prairie type kind of valley type kind of areas. You get on the north end and it's a lot of water. So we've got Kerr Lake, the Arkansas River, the Canadian River, Eufaula Lake. In the winter time, I usually, my busiest season is definitely by far waterfowl season, and I'd say 90 to 95% of my non-resident activity is due to waterfowl. Oh, my favorite part of the county is this north end of the county. I like the water, I like the river bottoms. I grew up in the north end of this county. I was born here in Stigler, which is the county seat in Haskell County, and went to high school here, K through 12. If somebody's looking for something new or something cool to see in the county, I'd probably first send them to Sandboys WMA. It's the new WMA on the far south end of the county. A lot of scenic vistas to overlook there, opportunities to hike, waterfowl, a really nice creek to be around down there, offers some really cool opportunities. Yeah, you come across a game warden in the field, no need to be nervous. I run into a lot of people that are just naturally nervous, think that we're there to try to find something wrong. Most of the time, I'd say 99% of my contacts are extremely friendly. Hey, how's it going? Having any luck? Visiting with how they're doing for the day. I had a really tough day one day. Had checked somebody and it just was a bad contact, very stressful. And this job is not devoid of any other job. It has its stressful days, and it has its days that you think you're not sure why you're doing this. And I'd pulled up on a riverbank, which was kind of a scenic place that I kind of like to go, and was just there contemplating, why am I out? Why am I doing this? Trying to calm myself, I guess, from the stress. And I look out my door and I see a rabbit run across. It wasn't no big deal, it's just a rabbit, right? Well, I seen another rabbit run across too. And these rabbits, as I start watching them, they're playing. Well, one rabbit runs in front of the other rabbit and he hides behind a log, and the other rabbit comes along in a minute and he finds that rabbit. And as soon as he finds it, both rabbits jump up in the air. And I think, well, that's kind of funny, that's kind of cool. Well, then I watch the rabbit go do it again, and the rabbit finds him, and again they jump up in the air, they're celebrating. I watched these rabbits do this 5 or 6 times till they work plumb out of sight. It was obviously a game the rabbits were playing. I would call it hide and seek or tag, that we watch us as kids, or we watch our kids play all the time. And I was watching wildlife play something like that, and it was just a calming experience to me. It was just a fun moment to see wildlife out interacting. If I hadn't been doing my job and doing the things that I do, or even had that stressful day, it's something that I would have never witnessed.